Hello and welcome. I'm Justin B. and here at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda, where we've got city deals with a country feel. And today we're checking out this nice 2013 Honda Accord sedan in the EXL trim level with the White Orchid Pearl finish. This particular model comes to us today with a clean carb roof. And underneath the hood we have a 2.4 liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine with direct injection, matched to a continuously variable transmission and capable of approximately 185 horsepower. Up front, we're equipped with projector beam halogen headlights, and just below that we have our fog lights, so you'll be able to light your way through the night, no problem. Coming around the side of the vehicle here, you'll see that we're riding a top 17-inch aluminum alloy wheel with power-assisted ventilated front disc brakes and solid rear disc brakes, as well as plenty of tread on that tire there for you to ensure a nice, safe drive. When it's time to enter the vehicle, you'll have no problems there, thanks to the proximity key given away by that black button right on the door handle there. And we can take a look at our key fob. We got your lock, unlock, trunk release, as well as your panic button. So let's hop on in and take a look. And now hopping on into our Accord here, you'll see on the driver door we have your power mirrors, windows, locks buttons there for you, as well as some storage on the side. Your 2-position memory buttons for your 8-way power adjustable driver seat, black leather interior, as well as your 4-way power adjustable passenger seat with adjustable height seat belts, your tilt and telescopic steering wheel there for you. And just below we have your hood release, your gas release, and your trunk release. But there's still so many great features inside. Let's hop on in and take a look. Checking out our nice analog display of our speedometer here, you'll also notice right in that center digital screen we have 40,317 kilometers on the vehicle at this current moment of time. To the left of the wheel here we have our green econ button for better fuel efficiency, our lane departure warning button, as well as our vehicle stability assist. At the end of our multi-function stick we have that blind spot camera button. Give that a press, and that'll pop up right on that screen there for you. The vehicle also comes with a rear view camera, and you could check out our tutorials on our site for more of those great features. On the left side of the steering wheel here we have your tab button, which will allow you to navigate right through that top center screen like so. You also have your volume up and down control and your music navigation controls. Just below that we have your phone and Bluetooth controls. And on the right side of the steering wheel we have your cruise control settings. Just behind the wheel we have that push to start button there for you. Big screen up top, and then just below that we have your music buttons there. We got your volume control. You can press on the source button, all touch screen. You got FM, AM, XM radio, Bluetooth, iPod, USB, AHA internet radio, all that good stuff. We even have a CD player right up top there for you. Down below we have your dual climate zone, so if your passenger feels like being warm and you want to be a little bit cooler, you can adjust all those settings accordingly. If you want to match them all up like it's shown here, we got that sync button pressed green right now. That means all of our temperatures are equal. Just below there we have this little compartment here for you, a little storage compartment. Down below more storage trays, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and an auxiliary port. You got the keys in there for you, as well as it is a push to start. We got 2 heated seats going, and nice gear shifter there for you, handbrake, 2 cup holders, and inside of our armrest here got some more storage, as well as another 12-volt power outlet. Just in front of the passenger seat here, we got your lock-in glove box with your manuals, as well as tons of storage space in there. And right above us, we have your sunglasses holder, as well as your interior cabin lights and your power moonroof, so you can get out there and enjoy those cloudy days. And then we also have your illuminated vanity mirrors for driver and front passenger. But there's still so much more to see. Let's go take a look. And now taking a look at the back of the vehicle here, you'll see right on the door, we have your low and high heated seats for your left and right back passengers. We got 3 seats in the back, making it a total of a 5-seater vehicle. Tons of leg space. We got pouches for storage on the backs of the seats here. And right in here we got an armrest with 2 cup holders, keeping everyone nice and cozy. And if you want to get a better look at the back, we can open up that trunk and see how much storage we got. Now taking a look at the back of the Accord here, you'll see we got that nice Honda logo, of course. Just below that we have your rear view camera, and when it's time to open up the trunk we'll have no problems. We can just stick our hand to the right of the Honda logo here. You'll feel the black button. Just give that a press and lift the trunk right on up. That's the black button right there. And as you can see, tons of storage space. We got lots of mats there waiting for you as well. Right underneath the carpet here, we got your temporary spare, as well as your tools. And if you want to drop down those seats for more storage space, we could do just that simply just by pulling on this lever here. Give that a pull, walk around to the side of the vehicle, just grab a headrest and drop it down. All the seats go down at the same time. Give you a better look from the back again. And as you can see, tons of storage space in your nice 2013 Honda Accord. And that just about wraps it up for this quick peek, but there's still so much more to see. You gotta come check out this 2013 Honda Accord sedan in the EXL trim level with the White Orchid Pearl finish for yourself. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff would be more than happy to help you pick out the perfect vehicle for you. So call, click, or come on down to our showroom located at WHITBY OSHAWA Honda at 300 Dixon Road South, just off the 401. I'm Justin Bean. Thanks for watching.